Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create HTTP servlet by using Eclipse IDE, and we will deploy this servlet on Apache Tomcat server. So before implementation, please make sure that you have installed Eclipse IDE and Apache Tomcat server on your device. And friends, if you have not installed Eclipse IDE on your device, I have given link in description box for installation of Eclipse IDE. So please check that link. Okay. So let's start with video. So first you have to open Eclipse IDE. And friends, as we know that HTTP servlet extends generic servlet. So I have already uploaded video related with how to create the generic servlet. So you can check that video. I will give the link in description box. For right now, let's start with implementation for HTTP servlet. So first you have to open Eclipse IDE. After this, you have to select option File, then New. Again, you have to select Dynamic Web Project. Here I will give name to this project as HTTP Servlet Demo. And here you have to select runtime environment. Once you install Apache Tomcat, it will show version here. After this, click on next button. Again, next. Here it is showing the web module, context routine, HTTP servlet demo. Within that, it is showing the directory, web app. So we can modify it as a web content also. And here I want to generate web.xml as a deployment descriptor. So just check this box. You have to select this and click on finish option. Now see in Project Explorer, it is showing HTTP Servlet Demo. This dynamic project is created. Now it's time to create the servlet. Here in Project Explorer, Java resources folder is there. Within that, source folder is there. So select the Java resources folder. Right click on it and select new. And then servlet option. So here class name I will give as first servlet. Again here super class. Now see, while creating servlet, we can create a generic servlet as well as the HTTP servlet. So here we are using HTTP servlet. So we'll keep this super class as it is. HTTP servlet. If you are creating the generic servlet, you have to select this browse option and you have to select generic servlets. So I will keep this HTTP servlet as it is and just click on next button. Now see, here it is showing the link created for URL mapping, that is the first servlet. If you want, you can change that link or you can keep it as it is. So I will keep the link as it is and just click on next button. Now here we are going to implement do get and do post methods. The rest of the things will be as it is. Just click on finish button. Now here it is showing servlet file is created for servlet.java. Here we are going to modify this do get method. And first we'll keep this response in comment. So here print the statement, print writer out is equal to response dot. Here it is showing methods available. We want to use getWriter method. So select the method as a getWriter. Again give the semicolon. Now we want to print message. So type the statement out dot. Now we want to print, so I will type the message as print, and within this I want to provide a string, welcome to HTTP Servlet Demo. Just save this program. You can use Ctrl S option to save this. Now it's time to create index.html page. For that purpose, you have to select this web content folder, which is in Project Explorer. Just right click on it, again create new, and within this we are going to create HTML files. Just select HTML file, and here we'll give the name as index.html. Index.html. Just click on next, finish. Now within this body part, we are going to give some form actions. So just type form. Within this form, action will be implemented on servlet. So give the name of the servlet here, that is /, first servlet, and what will be the type of that input action. So I will give the type input type is equal to submit. It is showing the options available, so I want to take submit type, and its value. So I will give the value as go. We have to complete this form tag also. So form tag is completed. So just save this program by using Ctrl S option, and now it's time to execute our program. So we have created first Http Servlet and index.html. So just save these programs by using Ctrl S option. And before execution, we have to deploy these projects on Apache Tomcat server. So make sure you have configured server with Eclipse IDE. Here you have to select the option servers, and you have to right click on it and select option new, then server. Again, you have to select Apache. From Apache, which version you want to use, you have to select that version. And just you have to click on next button. And which method you want to use, you have to give that method, that is Http Servlet demo we want to use. Just click on add button and click on finish button. Okay, so first you have to start this server. It is showing error. Problem occurred while starting the server. Just click on OK. Just double click on this server. It is having problem of port number. It is showing admin port as a dash. So I will type the port number as 8085 and just save this. And close this. Okay, now try to start this. Now server is started successfully. So we can run this program on server. Just right click on it and select run on server option. And here, which server you want to use, you have to select that server also. So I want to use this server. So just select this server and click on next option. Now which methods you want to execute? I want to execute Http Servlet demo. That's why I have configured this. Okay, if you want to add this generic servlet also, you can add the method. If you want to remove this, you can remove all the methods. But I want to execute this servlet, Http Servlet demo. Just click on finish button. Now if you see towards top left corner, it is showing option as go. Means while creating index.html, we have even input type as a submit and value was go. That's why it is displaying go. Once you click on this go button, it will display the message whatever we have given within the submit. Okay friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.